Vincent, it's raining. What are you doing out here? It's raining and the sun shines out, huh? Hey, where are you going? Vincent. Hear that thunder? No. You are good. Just making monkey face, huh? At least you decided to come under the garage where it's dry. Look over there in that sky. That's raining way over there. Ooh, a wet, muddy pine cone. I'm glad you found that. Good idea. Go in the garage, Vincent. What a good idea. Uh-oh. Starting to rain again. Starting to rain again. Vincent, how's it raining and there's blue skies? Huh? How's it doing there? Vincent, you're looking a little bit wet. I think we should go inside. Ready to go inside? You like this, huh? All right.